It's been a terrible week of bloodshed and rage. It still continues in Gaza and in Palestine, in Jerusalem and in Israel. Once again, the animosity has risen, and there's need for deep repair, for healing, for consolation, and for hope. For my home here in New York, I want to share with you all one word, our weekly word, a password for the riddles of our lives, as a beacon of hope for my ancient mythic past, for hopefully a better future. And this word is rage. But in Hebrew, that word rage can also be translated as foam, like the foam that rises on your lips when you are furious, or when the soup is cooked before you lower the flames, and when the sea is wild before the waves become a place of bathing. The Torah this coming week reveals to us the book of wilderness, Bamidbar. Our ancient ancestors walk together to their promised land, tribe by tribe, with flag, with soldiers. They are in a sacred mandala, in a utopian order of civilization. Each tribe its own, but all together. And in the middle of it all, the sacred, the holy tent, inside of which the holy reminder of the covenant between divinity and humanity that says to us, love each other as you love yourself. We are all made in divine image. All is one. And in the middle of that holy tent, the Holy of Holies, and in the Holy of Holies, the box with a reminder, and on top of it, the cherubs looking each other face to face, eye to eye, not an eye for an eye. The Levites are supposed to guard that sacred tent. They walk around it. Nobody is supposed to disturb the holy place, the holy experience, the reminder of holy. And if that does happen, the Torah says to us in chapter 1, verse 53, "V'lo yeh Ketzef al adat b'nei Israel." There won't be rage, wrath over the people if the sacred is disturbed. The Hebrew word Ketzef means foam. Foam that rises but subsides. So what I want to share with us today from our ancient scriptures, mythic reminder, is that the rage right now is legitimate, and the injustice is real, and the death is devastating and hurts. And can we find a place, all of us within this rage, to take a breath, to calm down, to lower the flames, to let this rage become not foam and bubbles and rubbles, but a quiet place of understanding how much work we have to do to heal, to fix, to repair, to create justice everywhere. So each tribe has its flag and its land and sacred place that isn't disturbed. For my ancient wisdom, I want to share with our people, all of our people, the promise that the rage, as it will enrage, will also calm down. And in this calming, we can create the sacred healing that we all yearn for, so we can live together as one everywhere. May we keep dismantling this patriarchal fear, and may we keep creating sacred compounds where we see each other's divinity face to face, eye to eye as one. Shabbat Shalom. May revelation be upon us. May peace prevail.